Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Behind me, I have a bookshelf so you know that I'm educated properly. Today, we are working on. Well, I was a little deceiving. I said a boss, but really, it's more of the idea of a boss, kind of. You see, what I want to do is have the game be like this. You hit play, and it says something along the lines of, "You are entering the dungeon. Defeat Morlack the Destroyer." And Morlack the Destroyer is this guy, and the whole dungeon is themed around him. So every time you play, like, okay, let's say Morlack the Destroyer is has like an ice and death theme. There'll be coffins and icicles throughout the dungeon. You know, hey Ryan. So that's like the idea. That'll hopefully give everything some more variety every time you play. And so that's what we're going to do. So, first of all, okay, my computer has to catch up here because it's being slow. Hang on a minute. The first thing we have to do is make sure that it's actually, okay, we're good. So I'm going to have, I think I'm going to have like a creature script here. I need to actually be able to create a creature because the current way it's happening, it's just not practical. But a creature script. Game's done. It isn't. Creature create. Okay, so everything from the player to Morlack the Destroyer, I gotta make sure that that name's possible. I gotta make sure that every creature is a creature. So, first we have to create a struct, which is like a box. We gotta put some stuff in that box. We gotta return the creature. Oh, I wrote structure. I meant to write creature. Okay. So creature needs a name. Will be creature by default. That's it right now. Oh, it needs like a body. Body equals body create. Good. Okay. So now we will have. We'll go in to the creature object, and we'll instead of doing them having a body, we'll just have a creature. The creature will have a creature of its own. Creature equals creature create. Good. Instead of this, we'll do. Let's go up here. Hang on. Creature dot body. Boop 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 boop. We gotta have an inventory too. Shoot though, that needs to be done like, yeah, afterwards, I guess. They have an aiming position, they have a brain. Yeah, all this will need to be done inside the creature. But we can put the brain in there right now, that'll be easy enough. So if anyone has any questions, do let me know. I don't know if, yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to have pass it. I don't think I'm going to be able to pass an ID to it right now. Let's see here. What does the brain need for? Why does it need the ID? Brain create. It needs the instance. Is that all that it needs? Okay. Well, we don't have to do it like that. We don't need to have an instance by default. We can just say down here, creature.brain.instance equals us. Okay. The creature can have the stats as well. Yeah. I just don't know if I like doing it this way. The way the stats are set up. I guess so. I guess it's okay.
Welcome
You know, let's do it. Well, okay, I have an idea for this too, but we gotta slow our roll here and do things one at a time. Stats equals stats. So now we can not do that. We can say creature.stats.hp, creature.stats. Can you just play my music? Thank you. Okay, we got our stats going, we got our brain going. We need an alignment working. We can just set the alignment here. Well, we'll have to creature.alignment. I guess we could do it like that. That's fine. Okay, that should be it for now. That's fine for right now, I think. Now we have to go through a lot of things and change them. So what do we do here? Anything with the body? Yeah, behavior. We got brain, so it's a creature.brain. That knockback stuff's fine. Stats need to be changed. Is the inventory there? No, the inventory's not there yet. We'll just wait on that. We're going to merge this over a little slower than I think we are, because... Oh, shoot. Brain, no. Creature.body. Creature.body. Oh, it's already there. And the reason that I'm doing this is that I can create creatures before we're actually in the space that they're in. So when the game first starts, I can create Morlack the Destroyer. Again, that's just a fake name. They'll have a different name every time. This will not work right now. No, in fact, I know for a fact it won't because the player needs to be edited. Let's see. Actually, this as well. That, and then probably stuff in here. Maybe not. Creature.body. That might work. Let's see. But, the goal for the stream today and the development for today is just get a dungeon theme going. Body part create, okay? So is that happening where? It's probably happening with a goblin, I'm gonna say. Which honestly, I guess we'll make sure that works. I don't even really want the goblin to be here right now, so maybe we'll just remove him. Because I'm going to do all the creatures procedurally. I'm not going to author anything like that. I just don't want to do it. I'd rather just generate them. It's too much hassle to author content. Okay. Let's see. Okay, body part, create, player.body, body part, create. Okay, so is that happening here? It must be, right? Well, then how am I creating my body then? Is it happening up here? Create your body. Body part add. Oh, well this would be one issue. Body part create. Is that in here somewhere? No. Body part add. Part creature. Body part create. Wait a minute. Okay. Object player.body is not set for reading. Body part add. Where's body? It's on line 224. Of what? 224? Be right here. That's not. Let's search for this. Oh my gosh, seriously? I just want to hear my nice music. Okay, let's see where this is. This is here. Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Right? Does it? What is this even for? This is for like a foot or something? Or just a body part in general? Okay, yeah, we don't, we'll just do this, it's fine. That doesn't really matter. I can probably just set that to 0, 0. It'll be fine. Okay, HP issues, yes, okay. The HP is all going to be done in a different way. I want to do, like, because right now it's creature.stats.hp and creature.stats.maxHP. I want it to be creature.stats.hp.value and creature.stats.hp.max. Okay, my body seems to be working. I can pick up this axe and swing it. This axe would really do a number. And the weapons are so cool. I'm so happy with how they've turned out. Look at this one. Shoot, 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 shoot. Okay. Anyway. So that's working. Good. Let's do the stats now, I suppose. We might as well, since they're so underdeveloped. Alright, stats. HP will become value.0 max.0. Okay, cool. And now whenever we reference HP, we gotta do it differently. HP, or we could just do health dot value. Let's do health instead of HP. I don't like HP. Okay. Health dot value equals 12. Let's make a function for this. Okay. Function stats stats set. Type. How should we do this? Stat. Value. Okay. I don't know. Okay, then we'll say struct set. Do I not have struct set? Yeah, it'll be on my channel later. But it's not going to be very exciting, so I wouldn't even recommend it. How to sell your product. Don't buy it. Okay, let's see here. Struct get, struct has. Well, we don't have struct set. That's sad. Function, struct set, struct variable value. Variable, struct. See you later, Ryan. Struct variable value. Okay, that'll set that. It'll set it quite nicely. So we want stat. We need stats. And then we'll say stat plus, no. Yeah. And then we'll say, this needs to be stat init. Okay. And then we'll be able to say value equals value max equals value. Okay. Think that'll work? It should. So now in here we can just say this, we can say creature stats health 12. And that'll initialize the health to be max and everything. Yeah. Health value. Cool. Alright. That should all work. See you later. That should all health. Ah, shoot. Okay. Health needs to be changed to HP. Very frustrating. I wish I could just turn off certain global variables, because I'm never going to use the built-in GameMaker health variable. Whatever. It's fine. I get it. Okay, we good. We good. Like my procedurally generated spider webs? I sure do. Slow me down. Okay. Should be good. So we should be able to do more like the Destroyer, I believe. Okay, so in world, yeah, kind of, well, whatever. In world generate, we want to, let's see here, let's kind of break this up into regions. Okay, create boss. Okay, world.boss equals creature create. Okay, we're gonna do this totally hard right now, but then we'll get it, you know, working better. World.boss.one equals more lack the destroyer. Well, let's just do nothing. We'll just more lack right now is fine. Yeah, creatures have to have a name. Oh, they have a name. Great. Okay. Okay.
So it's your friend's birthday.
Oh my goodness, the amount of ads that I've been getting.
Amazon app and let it find you.
Amazon. Okay. So, do we want to create like a boss object? I don't think so. No. Let's do this. Var boss. World.boss equals that. Boss equals 0. Okay. -1, whatever. Okay, we could do like a theme list for everybody. Nah, we'll just do it for the boss. Theme list equals ds list create. Now we gotta make themes. Let's see here. I guess we could do it down here, right? Yeah. Themes. We'll do a few. We'll do ice. We'll do death, fire, ice. Okay, sure. We'll do webs. Webs. Webs is a theme. Okay. And we'll do enum types. Okay. Okay. Now, let's see here. Make a theme map. Global var theme map. Theme map equals ds map create. Okay. Death. Fire. Ice. Webs. Okay. Themes.death equals cool. Do all of them. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff we got to do in these. So we're going to create, firstly, well, let's just apply a theme to the boss. Okay, I'll say boss dot theme. Let's see. DS list add boss theme list. For now, let's just we'll pick them randomly, I suppose. say, I guess we'll just create like, I don't want to do it like that though. That's weird. Okay. We'll say theme list equals ds list create. Let's say for var I 0, I lower than themes enum height I plus plus ds list add theme list I. Okay. Then let's do region. Try and keep this organized. Okay. Create theme list. Take theme. Okay. So then we can just let's see, ds list hop. Let's just do that. Hop random.
Serious top performance.
Theme list.
So while others may be
We'll do this
rushing to get
twice.
that last item on their wish list, you could enjoy peace of mind knowing you got a great offer on the best gift.
And we
in
got to
season.
make this
Now's
function.
the best time to get into a new hunt. KBB.com's best value brand for 2020.
Function
Visit Happy Hunt page
list.
Hunt
Oops.
dealer or shop online to get a great offer on the Civic sedan.
Okay. Var index equals I random ds list size list minus 1. I cannot stand all the ads. I'm about to freak out about it. Okay, and then we're gonna say ds var value equals list index remove ds list remove list value return value. Cool. Okay. So now we'll get 2 themes. Cool. I kind of think that I should just I don't know if I should enumerate these or not. I guess I should. Yeah, okay. Name equals death. I'll do a name right now. Just to okay. Now the boss should have 2 things. Let's make a function ds list print list. For var I, let's see here, iterate print title, print list string list I equals 0 I lower than ds list size list I plus plus. Okay. Print list I. Okay. All right. And I'll finish. We'll print like. Okay, then we'll print this. ds list print boss theme list. See what we get. See if this is going to work. We should get 2 random themes, and we should not get the same 2 themes. So 3 into 1. Okay, good. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Instead of doing that, let's just print. ds list size boss theme list I plus print theme map boss theme list I dot name. Okay. So we get webs and death. We get ice and death. We get webs and fire. Okay. Cool. Okay. So that's good. That's working. Perfect. Let's transfer over the theme. World theme list equals boss theme list. Okay. Now the world and the boss have a theme list. World theme, no, theme list. Maybe I should just attach that to the world and not even. It might be easiest to generate it that way. Let's just do it like that. Theme. Okay. Take themes. Cool. Same thing. Shoot. Nearly. Okay. DS list destroy. Okay. Good. Cool. That'll make generating easier. Let's not couple to the boss now. In case I ever want to take that out. Okay. What is wrong?
As experts in online education.
Okay, too many ads. We're changing to a different song. We're gonna listen to this song because there's no ads. Okay. That's too loud. What's the issue with this? This is fine. No. What is the issue with this? What? Okay. Let's run that and see what it says I'm doing wrong. Oh. Yeah, no. Okay. Okay, so now when we generate the world, we're going to let's see. So we need a system of machines, essentially. We're going to generate a big list of machines. So down here, create machine list. I mean map. Yeah. Create machine enum. Should be fine. We should never have to display the names of the enums. Whatever. Machine map equals ds map create global var machine map mapo. Okay. Enum machines. Okay. So let's just have a machine for every type right now. And really, should I just call these generoids? Because they're not really machines. What do I call these? Features. There we go. Great. Feature enum. So what we're doing right now is creating a big map, well, a small map right now, of level features, like webs or spike traps or something. Okay. So right now, let's do webs. Let's do icy walls. We'll just try that for now. Okay. Set maps. So feature. So we'll say feature map features dot icy walls, ice walls, whatever. Equals this. Ice walls. Okay, and then we'll say generator function generate. We gotta do that in a second. On this one for now. Do this. Webs would be level. Let's see. We should probably do this on its own thing. Let's go into here and do features. Well, we don't need to do that. We just need to create a script called features. Don't need a region now because it's all features. Okay. So we'll do level feature. We'll just do feature generate. Feature generate ice walls. Well, let's do generate level type. Okay. Function feature generate ice walls level. Feature generate webs. So this feature generator will literally just steal from this. It's just going to be that, which is not good, but it's going to work for now. So what I wonder is, should I do this with layout grid? Should I do this prior to... No, this should be after the layout's done, I believe. I think. I don't know. No, I think that this should be done... I gotta use the layout system for this, because, like, it's just... Don't really know what to do. Okay, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. With this, we're just gonna change all the walls to be blue. With our wall image blend equals merge color C teal C aqua random range between 0 and 1 binary, and we'll obviously get this working better in a little bit here. These go here. This is all kind of proof of concept. Get feature var feature equals feature map type generate feature dot function generate level. That should be all that we need to do. Yeah, pretty darn sure of that. Okay, now I'm gonna add a theme. Okay, theme equals themes dot ice theme. Should I make a an array? Yeah. Do themes dot webs, because we can have multiples that, you know, theme array. Alright. Cool. So now what we're going to do is create a list. How would this actually work? What's the order of operations here? I don't know this. I've never tried something like this before. So in the world, I think the world goes after, so that's fine. Let's see here. Create. Let's see. Each of these needs like its own. I need to like instantiate the stuff. Whatever. Oh, I could just update them all like this. For I 0 lower than themes dot enum height I plus, oh my goodness, plus our theme equals theme get. Let's make a function for this. I function theme get type return theme map type. Okay. Theme dot, and we'll say feature list. I guess it could be a list equals ds list create. Cool. Let's see. Fill. I guess I could do that in here, right? It wouldn't get theme. Let's say feature list or var I equals 0. J equals 0. J lower than. And this would be what? This would be in features dot enum height J plus plus. Okay. Now we got to go into the features to create. Good. We should always have enum. I wish I could make all the enumerators do that by default. Do we have array has? Nope, we don't. Okay, that's okay. Function array has array value. Now we'll just iterate to the array. Length array plus if array I is equal to value, return true. Okay. And then we just say if, oops. Well, when she got the feature, I suppose. We'll make a function called feature get. Function feature get. Then we'll have a type. We'll return feature map type. Okay. It's literally just like the themes. Feature get J. Okay, I'll say if array has feature dot theme array. Is that what it's called? Yes. Theme. No, say I. Right? Yeah. We'll say ds list add. God, this is a lot. Theme. No. Yeah. Theme dot feature array. No list. And we'll say J. Okay. We should have all of our stuff now. So here, let's just make sure everything's going to actually like load up. There might be some kind of issue because I'm kind of cross-referencing things in the scripts. Okay, good, it worked. That's where it would have failed. So we don't need this or this or this or this right now. I just want to make sure this is all going to work okay. So let's do ds list print. theme.name. So we're going to print all the features from each theme. It's going to be great. Okay, so for example, webs has 1, which is, let's see here, let's do it like this instead. 4 bar, so I DS size. Theme dot feature, no, yeah, feature list. Plus. Oh my goodness, okay. Feature equals feature get. Feature list. Okay. Print feature. Okay. So now we can see each theme and its list of features, right? Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Abort. Call this B. It happens. Infinite loop, it's fine. Okay. So let's see. Death has nothing. Fire has nothing. Ice has ice walls. Webs has webs. Okay. So let's also add webs to death. And now death should have webs as well. It does. Good. Okay. We now have our theme feature setup going. Cool. So, I don't want that. I mean, death, whatever. It's fine. Cool. So, I think what we need is a post layout and pre-layout system. Because, I mean, that's going to be the most, like, versatile way to do this. And we like versatility here. So, we could just we'll do generate and then we'll have generate layout, generate other, generate instance, generate finish, generate change. Sure, whatever. So for example, right, we would want none of that, and we would want this. We'd want that. Should we do it all the way out? I don't think so. I don't think so. Layout. Let's do. I like making like a template I can copy from. Anyway, now the issue is just this. How do we, I mean, I guess I could just set a like a feature type, generate type. I guess all I gotta do is just say if generate type is equal to layout else generate layout generate change. Maybe we should do a switch. Whatever. If we ever need to switch, we'll just change it. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Good. So, when we generate a level, we want some of this stuff to happen. What is this doing? What is that? Just items? We don't really want that right now, do we? We want that. What is this? Solids? What are these? No, this is for the whole... Okay, this is the player. That's not what I want. So, firstly, let's generate features here. For our I 0, I lower than features dot new. Okay, we're gonna generate all the features right now in the same level. There's only 2 right now, so it's not that bad. Var feature equal feature get I. And we're gonna say feature generate, and we're gonna generate it in level. It's gonna be I. That's going to be layout. Okay, good. Then here, after layout's done, and do change. Okay. Real quick, I want to make this a switch. Generate type case layout case change. Okay. I'm gonna say if feature dot if we have this, then we do it. Same for you. Okay. I think that's all we have to do. So let's try it out. No, it's not gonna work yet. This we need to say it's basically I haven't done this in a while. Let's see here. If layout level layout as, we'll say level x y for level layout add set. Can I just do set? Yeah, okay. Level x y web instance object web webs I think it's have an object web. No, I do. Yeah, web. Okay. For x equals I random range 0 level grid width for equals I random range 0 level grid height. And honestly, this will probably end up being a change feature, but it's fine. Okay, I think that's all we have to do. So let's try it out. Might not work, but we'll see. Nope. Feature generate, feature type. Okay, so type, feature type. Also, let's go to the level generator. Do we call it an instance? Okay, we do. Cool. We should probably call it an object, but you know what? Here we are. There's no object webs? Oh. It's web, not webs. I thought I had it in web. I guess I was wrong. Okay, we're here. It's icy and webby. Nice. Cool. Torches should be here too. So everything should be a feature with the level generator. Everything. We should probably have like a default. So no, not a feature. We should have like a layout, like a list of layouts too, that the dungeon can kind of grapple onto and choose some different layouts to generate, and then the features would go in and, you know, adjust as necessary. Okay. Let's make a feature for every for everything real quick. Let's just see. Let's not even yeah. Let's do torches. Fire pit. We'll make a new object called a fire pit. Fire pit. Fire pit. Oh, no, fire. Generate layout, that fire pit layout, whatever. Function. Layable. Pit. And we'll pretty much do this. Only it'll be fire pit. Object, fire pit. Cool. Okay, so this is just gonna be like, what, in lighting? We don't need lighting anymore. We just need like a misc category. Okay. Sprite blueprint. We're gonna quickly generate a blueprint for this thing. For sprite blueprint. Okay. Sprite blueprint. Add circle. That's a sprite. 0, 0, 8, 12, I don't know, random range is 12, 16, C dark gray, false, sprite index equals sprite blueprint finish, sprite blueprint. 32, 32. This needs to be 16, 16. Image Y scale equals random range 0.4, 0.6. Image angle equals random range -5.5. That's it. Create particles. Var fire equals instance create. X plus random range, negative 1, 1. Y plus random range, negative 1, 1. Let's make this a little larger. Depth minus 1, object, particle, fire. Okay, now we have a fire pit. It should automatically spawn in a bunch of them. It's actually going to probably be way too many of them. But that's okay. It might lag the game, but there's going to be tons of them, so you know. I'm in a wall. Are there fire pits? Yeah, there must be, because I think I only created a few of them. Where are they? A minute, let's see what it's looking like here. Fire pit. Okay. We create object fire pit. If it's a floor, we do it. Fire layout. Let's see. Fire pit. It should be doing it. I mean, let's see. It might not just. It just might not be visible for some reason. Let's see. Should be. Okay, we definitely are creating lots of fire pits. So what gives us a big spider web right there? Is that? Why is it not creating anything? What gives? If it's a floor, it becomes. Oh, well. Well, it shouldn't matter though, because it automatically does it all. Right? Let's just make sure there's a default. Yeah. No, there's not a default. Well, how is it creating the webs then? How the heck is it creating the webs then? Oh, because am I still doing it here somewhere? Ah, you fool. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that wasn't even working to begin with. Okay. Okay, so now we should have webs again, and we should have. Okay, great. Man, that's a lot of a lot of fire. Our webs are here. That's good. Are we not? Let's see. We should be deactivating the lots of things. Let's see. Anything that makes particles shouldn't do that unless. Yeah, so let's see. I guess all that needs to happen is they just need to not make particles. Let's just make the particle parent die if if there's if they're not in the view. Well, no, that doesn't make sense because there could be particles like elsewhere. Let's see. Is physical equals true. Okay. That might increase performance enough to not worry about it right now. We'll see. That's fine. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Should be working. That's weird. Just go to here. I know it's in here somewhere. Where's debug? Here it is. Brain, brain, brain. Creature dot. Okay. Anywho. Whew. It's not amazing. We're just creating way too many of them. Let's do like 5. Let's do like 25 webs and like 7 or 8 fires. That'll be enough. Now we just need death, so we need to make coffins. And that should be fairly straightforward. There'll be a mist. We'll have, oops, I didn't mean to make it all red. Okay, let's make some coffins, some coffin blueprints. Some sprites, actually. Physical. I have a mist in here, too. A sprite. Coffin. Okay, and then we'll have this be a little bit larger. We'll have it be, ready to center in the middle there. And we'll just draw like a nice, well, there'll be a few different coffin shapes, I guess. Kind of want some. Okay, that's better. There's a coffin. And we'll have a round one. Like that. What would happen there? I don't want, what happened? Kind of, what? Okay. Good enough. Got another coffin there. And we'll do like one more. We'll just make like a, well, it's fine, I guess, whatever. Like some coffin imagery. We'll do like a cross. We'll do like this, and then we'll do another one that's like that. And then we'll do one that's like a skull. Sure, whatever. And that'll be fine. I guess we could do like just do like a circle, maybe like a moon. I don't know. These will all be things that are added on later down the road, probably. But Fine, fine, fine. Okay, so now we can do coffins. When we make a coffin, we simply I think maybe we should hang on. When we generate a world, let's give it a huge number of like seeds that we can just pull from, I guess. That would be really handy to have, so I think I want to do that. Let's see. Seed list. I'll just make a ton of them. Repeat. Make 500 different seeds to pull from. DS list. Add world.seed list. Should we do floats or integers? Let's do integers. Between 0 and that. Cool. We'll also make function world get seed world index return world dot, let's wrap it too. Well, world dot seed list. Index. Let's see, index 0 PS list size world dot seed list -1. Okay, cool. So now what we can do with that is just when we're creating things like coffins and whatnot, it'll we can pull from that, and I'll explain that in a moment. Okay, cool. So we create a sprite blueprint for var x I equals 0. Let's see here. Okay, we're gonna rotate the coffin first. Zero and 360. Okay. I plus I is lower than, we'll do like 8, I guess, or 6. I plus. Sprite blueprint. Add sprite blueprint. And then we'll do SPR coffin. And then we'll do world get seed, and we'll just say 0. Or we'll say like whatever. Yeah, that's fine. Then we'll say 0, 0. We need to have a size. Let's see, x scale, y. We'll just do. We can do that after the fact, I guess. No. X scale, y scale. Since we're rotating it, it won't work. Image angle, C gray, 1. For x scale equals random range, 0.75, 1.25. For y scale, same thing. Okay. Cool. And then we've got to do this minus I. Okay. And then paste image, sprite blueprint, segment at sprite blueprint. Sprite coffin image world get seed 1 0 minus I minus I. We can just do random range. We can just do it here since we're only doing one of them. It doesn't have to be consistent. Angle should be image angle. See. spray for now. 1. Okay. Finish. Sprite index equals sprite blueprint finish. Sprite blueprint 64, 64. Sprite blueprint destroy. Sprite blueprint. Okay. Finally. So we need to actually create this feature. Okay, layout, do this, pretty much this. And we should be good. Let's try it out. Oh, yeah, there we go. I think, yeah. Not set before reading. Huh. Pretty sure there's a seed list with it. What am I reading? Well, it'd have to be set, right? I mean, it would have to be. Before I pull it from with the coffin, I think. Yeah, it must be. Oh, I'm not... I don't think I'm giving it the world. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. You know, yeah, I should definitely just do the world. We don't need to get all fancy. There's only going to ever be one world at once. What is that? Yes. I've always wanted to do procedurally generated coffins. Now we have them. Kind of. Ooh, it's ugly. Oh, because I need to turn it. Hang on. So one thing I gotta do is significantly overhaul the coffin generation. It's really not good. So firstly, let's do how big's this sprite anyway? It seems really weird. Okay. Color merge. Well, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. I is equal to 5. C dark gray. Let's do gray. So we'll just see what that looks like. And then this needs to be minus 90. What's the issue with that? Oh, yeah. Why is the... Oh, no, that shouldn't matter. Minus 1. It looks... Something's off about how this looks. Why do they like that? Oh, you know, the angles... Okay. Oh, I know why. Or angle. We won't do it like that. We'll just set an angle like this, because then it's drawing it at that angle. So we're like overcompensating. We don't have to alter the angle at all. On the wall. Cool, there's a coffin. And all the coffins right now will look like this. They will all be that style with a cross. But this world will be different. Maybe. That's the idea anyway. And you know, I'm just gonna up the number of coffins it puts in because right now it's like really low. 64 coffins. 64 coffins in the crypt, 64 coffins in the crypt. Cool. Yeah, they should all be like that. They should all have that. Although, is it always the same right now? Because okay, wait a minute. When am I randomizing things? Because I should at least. I want to randomize when the world starts at least. At some point, I could set a seed, but for now, I'm not doing that. Okay. Why is that not ever being different? It's always the same kind of coffin. That's weird. It's adding a random number, very large number. And then when I'm getting it, we want to return that. Let's just see this for now. Because it shouldn't always be the same. I mean, I'm randomizing it. We should be getting a random seed. Is this seed too big? Is it... Why am I always getting that? That's so funny that I keep getting that. That's the index. Is it not like... Does it not wrap? Because I swear it did. See, now it's choosing one randomly. Oh, it's web. I was like, what is that? Let's make physical things set their own depth. Okay, cool. I just don't see why it's not. So if I do this, what's going to happen? It's the same thing. It's like wrapping weirdly. I don't get it. Because, is that the first one? It's not the... oh yeah, it is. Okay. It's very odd. Is it not actually being set? Is it not doing it? Let's see what it returns. This is dead. Let's do this. Should work. Let's try just like 32. Let's try 255. It's a nice programming number. Well, that's different. That's like the moon shape, or maybe? What shape is that? Oh, it's a skull. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we're good now. So it was just too large before, I think. 255 is good. We can make these solid coffins. Be solid for now, anyway. Well, yeah. Should probably keep solids totally decoupled. So let's make the function, I guess, instance solidify. We call it that. That should be all the transforms for it. Cool. Now I can just call this in the coffin's create event. And then the coffin should be solid. Should be. Okay. We should get solid now. Keeps spawning in walls. There's a coffin. Ooh, and it's interesting. I don't want it to be opaque. Okay, we need an opaque instance. I think this is going to happen at some point. Does it have any code at all? No, we don't want that to happen. We just want it to be physical. Okay. Let's instance opaque. Same freaking thing. Okay, and then we just we'll call this in the wall parent. Anything else we want to be opaque? We can also change this to have a solid solid thing. Instance solid create solid ID. Okay, and then when we're doing the FOV, should be here. Come on now. Why can't I go there? Okay, whatever. Object game draw then. Okay, drop OB. Now we do opaque, not solid. It's just object opaque. Wait, why didn't that come up? Oh, I misspelled it, that's why. Okay, obviously I can see everything, that sucks. Let's see, is the instance opaque actually creating an opaque instance, or is it just... Yeah, it is. It's physical, but it's creating, it's setting the mask index. Oh, our mask isn't, yeah. For the wall, there's no mask. That's the problem, I think. That should work. I think then we would have been able to walk through walls too, but fine. Cool. That's solid. Great, great, great. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Whoa there. Whoa there. That's okay. Anyway, so let's let us now only create certain things at certain times, certain features. And then I'm going to be done. Script. World. This will be simple. So the theme, okay, guys, try theme list, okay. Choose features for var I equals 0, I less than, I guess, features, and then I will iterate through each feature, I plus plus, okay, var feature equals feature get I, cool, now we'll check to see the feature, yeah, I guess so, I mean, or should we go through each of our themes? We have to do both, I think. ds list size world dot theme list I plus plus. Our theme equals theme get I. Okay. And then we do this shebang. Each of those. This has to be J or anything but I underscore. Now we check. Check theme and feature. We have to make a feature list though. Okay. World.featureList equals ds list create. And now we do we check the feature. If feature dot theme array, yeah, array has I, which is the theme. Let's see. We'll say ds list add, and this is going to be the world's feature list, and this is going to be this. equals I. No, it equals J. It could just be the theme. Now we gotta be consistent. Range equals so we're gonna say var featured data equals type equals J. So we're going to say feature, let's see. Feature data range 0 equals I random range, and we'll do world, we'll do 0 and world dot max depth. And then we'll say that equals this plus this, I guess. Alright. Cool. Alright, so what we're going to do now is add the featured data to the feature list. We'll be all good to go. Now, when we when we generate a level, all we got to do is check the features within the list and generate them. DS list size level whatever, let's do world. Node feature data now equals this. Okay, and then we check the range if level dot depth if within, we haven't written this yet, depth cool. Feature data dot type. Okay. And then the same thing down here, but it's with the changes or the change generator types. That's the same exact thing, we just hit change. Okay. We just gotta write a function called within. Why is that not happy with me? Oh. That would be why. Right there. Okay. This will just be values. We'll write a function called function within value min max return value is higher or equal to min and value lower or equal to max. Okay. Within's just easier than writing that a bunch because I use within quite a bit. Okay, I think we're good. So let's just see what happens. I don't know if I'm printing out all the information. I need to verify that it's working properly, though. Yeah, I'm not. So, in the level... No, in the world... Where are we? We need to be in world. We're going to print out these. Let's just say ds list print. And in features, I don't really want to print anything. But I am, so let's not do that. Where am I printing things? Because I know that I am. Maybe I'm not. Is it in world? I'm printing things somewhere. I know that. Is it in the themes? Because it might be. I think it is. Yeah, it is. Okay. Bye. So now, I will deduce the theme using this informational printout 2 and 3. So that is ice and webs. Okay. So there's no ice and there's no webs here. That's fine. But there better be at least ice and webs on some of the levels. So there's no ice or webs here. That's fine. Let's see here. Okay. No ice and webs here. That's fine. The green line shows me where the downstairs are. And the red line shows me where the upstairs are. Very, very handy. If you're working on a game and you don't have some kind of debug mode, you're doing it wrong. I'm sorry. Okay, no ice and webs. Still, not boding well at all. Not boding well at all. It cannot be this way. So they're both here? No, none of them are anywhere. Okay. Something's wrong, and it could be literally anywhere. Let's debug it, shall we? So firstly, let's work backwards from here. So feature list. Let's print out what we're getting here, if anything. If anything. No, we're not getting anything. So there's no features in the feature list. Is that what you're telling us? DS list, feature list, choosing a feature. Theme array has this, which is the theme number. All right, we're gonna print checking let's do this. Right down here, theme get. We'll say if data is equal to undefined, else return struct get this. We could just call this data. Cool. Checking this, and then we can say we can check that. Okay, so nothing works there. That's okay. Is it because nothing's? Let's see. Let's print the feature array. Let's see if there's anything there. Because if they're all empty, then the order of operations is all messed up, and we're screwed. Please don't be screwed. Okay, we're not screwed. Good. So we just need to see if. Let's see. Theme array has a theme index. Oh, that's the issue. Okay, bam, we're fixed. We should be fully good. There was an I instead of a J. We just kept getting, yeah. Okay. So let's just not print anything right now. We'll see. This should work now. I have confidence it will work. Oh, I didn't want ES to print, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, our theme is death and webs. Should it be death and webs? So look out for webs and coffins, or anything really. Anything that's interesting. Alright, no coffins, no webs. We're on the second to last level. This level's red, but don't worry about that. That's just to make sure it's all working. Okay, so there's still an issue somewhere, but it's fine. Just make sure it's actually adding stuff. Because this might be the issue, possibly. Alright, so it should have added 2. So what gives? In the level generator, print I. See, I should have. I don't know what that is. Let's see if we're getting here. Okay, we got 2 here, so that's good. That's exactly what we want. Plus string of this. See what the range is. It's probably the range's problem, I'm guessing. So that's really the last check. 1 and 1. Alright, so let's just see. We should get something in the next level. Let's see where we're going. Nice. I don't know what it's going to be, but we should get something. I think it's, let's see, we have, what is our, let's see. Okay. This is depth 1. Okay, coffins, good. Are coffins blocking? Oh, cool, so they are. The pathfinding will already work, wonderful. Okay, okay, and now in this one there'll be no coffins, but there will be something else, which is webs, I believe? Should be webs. What's supposed to be here? Oh no, well, it'll actually be on the last level, there'll be something. Hopefully. It should be webs. No, it's ice. And the walls are red, so we can't see that. Okay, let's try that one more time. I don't really know how to, like, proportion things. Okay, 4 and 4, so that's... Oh, you know what? First of all, when we're setting this range, it needs to be -1, -1. So, oh, I know what we could do. So we could say var range, let's see, width equals irandom range. We'll say 1, 2, world dot max depth -1. And then we'll just put it somewhere in there. We'll put it at a random position. We'll say var pause equals this, essentially. Then we can just say equals pause. We could just set it, well, pause minus width divided by 2. We'll floor this and we'll seal the other. And this will be plus. Cool. So now it'll be guaranteed to be in the level at least a little bit. I guess I could say, I feel like we should do the width after. Coffins with scary skulls. Very cool, I like that a lot. Ah, and fire. More scary coffins. What is their fire? Oh, there's nothing. And it is red. Cool. Last thing I want to do is... No, I'm not going to do it right now. Oh, hello there. Thank you. Sorry, I didn't see you were here. I'm kind of tired. I need to go make some food. I need to go have some coffee. And I need to get ready for work because I leave for work in about an hour and a half. So thanks guys for watching. I'll post more progress later on. And until then, see you guys later.